so we're going to start with talking about getting reviews on Amazon. So I'm going to start with something which is kind of cool, which I saw over the weekend, earlier last week. So I ordered a brand new phone cover case for my new Google Pixel phone that I just purchased. And as a result of that, they sent me on Amazon. I ordered it from Amazon in Germany because I'm here in Portugal. So they sent me this. So this came in it. So this is the insert that came with it. Claim your free matching keyring. Go to snakehivelondon.com and then a little scan me thing there as well, which is super cool. And then on the back, it says here, we're always grateful for any product feedback on your purchase. So if you haven't already, we'd really appreciate on Avenue on Amazon. Leave us a review, blah, blah, blah. So notice it doesn't say, leave us a 5-star review, leave us a positive review, leave us a good review, anything like that. It just says, leave us a quick review. And that's completely within terms of service. What you can't do is ask for a good review, a positive review, all right? So just preempting that, it's quite okay to ask for a review. You just can't ask for a positive review. So this is an insert, very, very nice insert too. So if we go there, snakehivelondon.com/Amazon, we can see now they sell on Amazon in Germany, which is where I purchased this particular product from, USA, UK to the Poms, and laissez-faire attitude dans les Français, and also to the French as well, to the frogs. They sell there as well. Okay, so if we click on this and look at just underneath, we can see how they've structured this because they're selling in multiple countries. So if you are, here's where I'm going with this. If you are selling in a single country, do not do it this way. They have had to do it this way because of their selling in multiple countries, okay? But if they're selling, if you're just selling in one country, I'll show you how to do that in a second, but let's just open this up. So this is on Amazon in Germany, and you can see these are the things that I've recently purchased from Germany, okay? So a new webcam, which is what I'm looking at right now, a little mini dehumidifier, of course my Google Pixel phone case, and then a new Sennheiser microphone, and electronic timer so I can stop my kids going on their computers at night. All right, so that's my purchases. So that's cool to send them there to that, but what would be better, of course, is to send them directly to this link here, which is the link to go and create a review for the actual product. So I'm going to give you this. It's at amazon.de/review/create-review/?ASIN equals and then your ASIN. I'm going to put that in the chat. So you've got that. Send to all. This is what they have used as well. Let's just put those in the chat for you too, so you can see that. So it is much, much better, of course, to send them directly to your product details review page, which is this, what you're looking at now. That is the ultimate way you should send people to, okay? But because of what they're doing, so their strategy, selling in multiple marketplaces, selling probably multiple products, which they are, and they just want to leverage that. So they take me here so I can find my product, that one there, and then leave a review that way, okay? It's a really, really good strategy. I thought what they've done is brilliant. Here is the link, so you can go and look at those images, send to all, and you can have a look-see at them too, all right? Why is the flyer not in German? I don't know. I don't know why they have done it in German. So it would be great to think, because where are they selling? They're selling in the USA and the UK. So they've got 2 English-speaking countries. They've also got Germany, which the majority of people in Germany speak English as well. And they've got France, and most people in France would not want to speak English at all. However, so 3 out of their 4 marketplaces, and also the biggest by volume, so USA, and then Germany, and then UK and France in terms of actual volume of sales probably. So what they've probably done is just gone, you know what, we're just going to have one insert, we're just going to print a shitload of them, and that's what we're going to send out for that. All right, so I don't know what they're doing, I don't know why, but that's what's happening. Okay, now if those links don't work, it's because you don't have a German account like I do. So just substitute amazon.de for amazon.com or amazon.com.au. all right, just change the top level domain. That's all you need to do. Dead easy. This is, though, a very, very good insert, because it is super important when you design your insert that it makes sense to go with your product. So here they're giving me a Snake Hive of London keychain. Now I don't actually want that. However, it's a brilliant add-on thing to have with a phone case, is to have a matching keyring for free. That's brilliant. And that keychain probably costs them, what, I don't know, like 50 cents or something like that. Very, very cool. So it's a very good strategy. The thing that I see time and time again where people get this very, very wrong is they offer something which is completely unrelated to the product that they're selling. So for instance, they'll offer somebody to have like a 12-month warranty with a phone case. Well, why on earth would you want to have a 12-month warranty on a phone case? It just makes zero sense. What's going to go wrong with a phone case? Why does that work? And I see that all the time. That's pretty extreme example, but it kind of hopefully get your head wrapped around what I'm trying to get to. All right.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.